How to change your TikTok password if forgotten. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how to change your TikTok password. So without further ado, let's get started. To change your TikTok password is you gonna open the TikTok app and go to the profile tab. You can click the three tabs on the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Here you need to choose Account. And you can see the second one is the password. TikTok will ask you for your phone number, but in this video, I'm gonna use email. So I will choose the Use Email button. Once you're here, you just need to type in your email address you use in this account. Once you're done typing your email address, TikTok will send you a 6-digit code for verification. Just check your email for the code. Once you're done entering the code, you can now change your password for your account. It is very easy. By example, if your account is not currently logged into your device, you need to go to login section. I'm gonna go here at email/username, then click the forgot password. It depends what did you use for your account. My account is I use email address, so choose email. Enter your email address again. Then TikTok will send you another 6-digit code for verification. Same thing as before. Then once you're done, you can now change again your password. And that's how to change your TikTok password. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video. Peace.